Welcome, I'm SD Kelley. I can't wait to show you how I made these authentic looking, vintage inspired metal country market signs. To see more of my DIY videos, take a second to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified every time that I upload something new. You can follow me and tag me with related content on Instagram. My profile name there is SaggyCat, after a sweet cat named Sagittarius. I picked up a pair of vintage looking metal trays that have a Christmas theme picture on them that's a bit faded. And I got these from a thrift store. They have a few dings and scratches, which is fine because it's going to add to the overall character to this project when it's finished. Would you believe I got these two trays for 50 cents a piece? Here I'm just covering them with some spray paint. It's Rust-Oleum Satin Nutmeg, and I used 3 coats, and as hard as it was for me to do, I waited 10 minutes in between each coat and let it dry for at least a good half hour before applying my designs. I used Adobe Photoshop to design these templates, and I'll put a link to these images below, and I'll also list the fonts below in case you want to design your own using the style that I used. Here I'm just folding the papers down to size so that I can see how they'll fit on these metal trays. When you click on the link to the images, just right-click on the image and then save the image to your computer. To trace these designs, you can color the back with pencil or chalk and then write over the front to transfer the design onto the tray. However, I like to use these reusable carbon sheets to transfer my designs, and I use a stylus to transfer the images. I'll put a link in the description where I got this. I just used a small strip of painter's tape just to hold the sign in place. These tracing utensils come with different tips, 10 different kinds, and as you can see here, you just go over it like you would a pencil. I want to reuse these templates again on other things, so I'm going to keep them, so I don't want to write over them in pencil. However, if you do use pencil or pen over this, you'd probably have a more accurate transfer of the image, but I'm going to be painting over them, so it's going to look fine. And also, if a little bit of the lines show, that will add to the overall character of this rustic look. I'm using white Waverly chalk paint with some Liquid-X medium to keep the paint wet longer, and I'm mixing in just a tad bit of truffle. I have some mixed from a previous project already. So again, I'll list the fonts that I used so that if you want to use your own words but use this style, you'll be able to. If possible, possible, definitely opt for a metal tray because that will give you the option of putting magnets on these that could represent different seasons or occasions throughout the year. I decided to take advantage of the border grooves of this tray and outline my sign. However, if the piece that you're using doesn't have these borders that you can use as an automatic guide, you can always use some painter's tape. I want to make the sign look a bit aged, so I'm adding some antique wax with a sponge brush, and I'll be just kind of buffing it out a little bit. I didn't really want to add rust to this, however, if that's a technique you'd like to try, I'll put a link up at the top and in the video description of where I had uploaded a video of where I made fake rust using cinnamon and turmeric powder. To achieve this look but you're afraid of going too far, then just apply a little bit at a time. And now I'm just hot gluing some jute twine, and I'm using these grooves on the back to actually help hold the twine in place. Now I'm not going to attach the twine across the top because I'm going to use the top part to hang my sign. I do really like how these trays have slants at the corners. When cutting the twine, I like to cut at an angle so I can press it down into the other end and make it look like all one piece. And now my signature final touch where I sign and date my work. And here's what they look like hanging above my kitchen door. This video was recorded at my previous location, however when I get my decor boxes unpacked, it will look just as beautiful in the new place. These signs are lightweight enough where I only needed a push pin or command hook to hang these. I hope that you'll like, comment on, and share this video with everyone that you know, and if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. Once again, I am SD Kelley, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up if you did. Also, I hope you will subscribe to my channel because I have many more great ideas to share with you. If you're interested in following me on social media or contacting me, I'll put those links in the description below. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.